Hey guys, Jenny PRD, registered dietitian and nutrition expert. Thanks so much for checking in. This video is going to be comparing different peanut butters, whether it's natural or regular peanut butter or truthfully natural peanut butter. So my job as a registered dietitian is to just empower and encourage you to know and understand what you're eating. So this video is going to be encouraging you how to choose the right peanut butter. Before I get into that, I want to encourage you to please subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, and turn on notifications, which is really cool because it's like getting a text message from me when I upload a video. So you can check it out. Say hi in the comments. Definitely let me know what you'd like to see. And yeah, let's get into it. So the food label overall, can be confusing. Marketing is really great at making products look healthy or look good for us. So sometimes, we can be duped, if you will, when choosing a product. So it's really, really, really important to turn that product over and look at the ingredients so you can really see what's in it versus, what's splashed across the front, and maybe it looks better than it really is for you. So peanut butter is something, that I feel people maybe aren't so sure of, or maybe they think they're sure of when they're actually purchasing, like if it's really good for them, is it really natural? So natural peanut butter should just be peanuts, or, if it has salt, peanuts, salt. That's all that should be in it. However, there's so many peanut butters out there that are not like that. So I just have a typical store brand, and I love ShopRite. I used to be a ShopRite dietitian, best job in the world. But I have this peanut butter that I just wanted to talk to you about. So this peanut butter is not natural. It doesn't say that it's natural. But this one claims that it's natural. So of course, as a dietitian, I have to scratch my head and see, no stir and natural doesn't seem to go, because natural peanut butter, you got to stir it, right? And that's probably why half of you don't even want to get it. But I have a trick for that coming up towards the end. So this peanut butter, just going to read off the ingredients for you. Peanuts, sugar, contains less than 2% of fully hydrogenated vegetable oils, and then salt and corn syrup. So, when you crack open a peanut, it doesn't have like any of that in it. So we know that this isn't natural. So this peanut butter, I'm sure you've seen it at the stores. Maybe you buy it because it's natural. It's supposed to be good for us. But I'm going to read off the ingredients. Roasted peanuts, palm oil, sugar, and salt. So again, if you're eating peanuts out of a jar, right, or you're cracking those peanuts open, there would not be palm oil in those nuts, right? There wouldn't be sugar, and maybe, there wouldn't be any salt. So that leads me to best peanut butter, unsalted peanut butter. Ingredients, peanuts, dry roasted peanuts. That's it. I prefer unsalted because there's salt in everything, and it just literally tastes like peanuts, and it's delicious. So I told you I was going to give you a trick about this natural peanut butter nonsense and the stirring. It makes a mess. So you simply store it upside down. I literally pick it up off the shelf and put it in my cart like that, and I load it on the conveyor belt upside down, upside down, upside down, and just store it like that. And when you're ready to use it, you just shake it, and then you open it, and you won't have to stir it at all. So I want to ask you a question. Do you like peanut butter? And if so, what's your favorite way to have peanut butter? We have it with bananas, we have it with raisins, we have it with honey in my house, we have it with strawberry jelly, we have it with grape jelly. So many different ways that we love peanut butter. We add it to our oatmeal. So let me know, how do you guys like your peanut butter? Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.